Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and this unboxing is from DPClubs. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DPClubs. So let's do this first one. So this one I actually did not pick out. I think they must have just thrown it into in my package here. So looks like ordinary toolkit here, and I dropped the it is a keychain, and it's this one. It's a Yoda. I don't know if it's a baby Yoda, it's just a Yoda, or so it's on this like really thick looking plastic here, and it is double-sided. It does look like this side acts the sticker might not have gone on completely straight, but that's okay. I just straightened that out a little bit, and that seems fine there. So yeah, this baby, or I don't know if it's a baby Yoda. It's a Yoda. I'm not a fan. I haven't really seen the Star Wars movies. I've seen I haven't really seen them. So except episodes 1 through 4, and yes, you heard me right. I kind of watched them in the wrong order. But I haven't seen any of the newer ones. So yeah, here looks like some green drills, some black, some pink, and then more greens. And then look, there's some marquees, which they gave a lot, and I think the marquees are only for the ears, and so I only need 4, but that's way more than 4. So yeah. Like I said, didn't choose it, so I might give this to someone to do, who maybe likes Star Wars. Oh, and this is on the site for $5.79, and it's, let's see, it's about 8 centimeters across by 6 centimeters there. So yeah, like I said, I might give this to someone who will appreciate it more than me. So next one here is one of these small animal pictures. So ordinary toolkit, and these are special shapes, and here it is. It's this cute little monkey. Maybe I should move you down. It's this cute little monkey here. These are really fun, and I think they would be really nice in a young kid's room. I've just been doing them because I like animal pictures, and they're so cute. So yeah, a little monkey hanging out on a tree branch vine. And did I say this is on the site for $4.99, and it's probably a 15 by 15. So it looks like a 14.5 by 15 that way. So some greens probably for the vine, and then some pink. I'm not sure what the pink is for. Maybe it's for the lips and the blushing cheeks here. Some browns, which makes sense. It's a monkey. There's some specials here, and I'm guessing the background is going to be primarily this clear here. It does look like the strip thing got kind of squished there, but it should be fine. So, where's the opening? I did just open this. There. Just trying to put it back. So yeah, I think this one will turn out really cute. These are just fun to do because they take like not long to do. At least I think they don't take that long. I should time myself. I should time myself more often. I have timed myself diamond painting in the past. It's just a lot more effort to keep up with the timing. So I got another one of these small diamond paintings. This one is also $4.99, so ordinary toolkit here, like specials like the other one. And this one is a little cactus. It's like a heart-shaped cactus with a flower on the edge, because I cannot have a diamond painting video done by me, unboxing without some sort of flower, right? So yeah, it's a cactus plant. Oh, this one's gonna look cute too. This one is also $4.99, and it is a 15 by 15. So there's the opening. Wow, this one has a lot of colors. You wouldn't think. This little teeny tiny thing. So it looks like the background is going to be primarily this blue here. So some blue there, some clear, some pink. I'm guessing for just the flower. Ooh, this one's one of my favorite drills. It's the clear with the AB coating. And if you're new to diamond painting and you're like, what in the world are you talking about? An AB coating kind of has... It's like a coating they put on top of the drills to give it kind of a more luminescent like look to it. So some green here, some black. I'm guessing this is the flower pot colors, some oranges here. So yeah, this one has way more colors than I thought it would, but I'm fine with that. So flower pot. And next diamond painting, let's do this one here. So this one is a flower diamond painting, because like I said, what is a video unboxing by me without having a flower in there? Or an animal. So ordinary toolkit. These are round drills, and here it is. It's a flower, but the only part that's diamond painted is the hexagon here. So it's not a square diamond painting, it's a hexagon one. Yeah, I think it's a pink flower. I'm pondering if I'm trying to see if I think it will turn out. I'm not sure. So there is 14 colors, only 14 colors in this, and it just looks like it's numbers and letters here. And like I said, it is just a hexagon diamond painting here. It does look like it's in the old style where each of the symbols are just in squares, as opposed to the newer style I've seen the drills be in, where the symbols are just in circles superimposed over the image. And it's a hexagon, so it's about 28 across by 25 that way. So, and oh, there's only one legend. And this one is $6.39. I'm just sad about the one legend because I've started just cutting out this here to make labels from, and instead of my scanning, I might scan this one. So some pinks here, some blacks, some reds, and oranges. So this is probably just going to be pink, black, reds, and oranges. And this must be the white background. So, but with it being a hexagon only, the white background is like not massive. So, because color blocking white is some of the hardest stuff to diamond paint, just because you can tell from white when you don't diamond paint it straight more than in a black color blocking. So yeah, that one is. And last one. Okay, I think I got the page open. This one is $7.39. It's a round drill diamond painting. So ordinary toolkit here. These are round drills. And Ta-da! Here it is. It says, "Good morning" in coffee. This actually looks pretty good. So I do like my coffee pictures. I do drink coffee. I don't need it to survive. I know some people do. But I actually don't. I'm remarkably a morning person. And I can only really drink 1 cup of coffee otherwise, because I'm a morning person and also insomniac. So I can't drink more than 1 cup of coffee otherwise. Yeah, I won't be able to sleep. So there is 24 colors in this one, and it looks like the symbols are all letters, and there are DMCs. And symbol, let's see, the symbol field here, I think looks very clear. This one looks like it'll be relatively easy to do. Yeah, I think this one would look good morning with some coffee beans and some, I don't know, is this chocolate maybe? Maybe it's chocolate. And then these look like, I don't know, coffee beans or they're macaroons. So they could be, but I think this one's actually pretty colorful looking, at least on the canvas. So this one is $7.39 and it is a almost 30 by 30. So let's look at the drills here. This actually feels pretty hefty because it's actually a 30 by 30 as opposed to just like a 25 by 25 that you get sometimes. So some, oh, this is a pretty color. So these must be the coffee colors, and then the green must be for the leaves. And a bunch of oranges, and actually there's 2 white. I guess that's a good amount of white. So yeah, let's put this back in here. So, wait, yeah, I think that's the last one for this video. So, in case you forgot everything else that I had unboxed on this video here, let me move you back up. So here is the coffee, here's the Yoda keychain, here is the flower, and then here are the 2 small diamond paintings. I'll work on something, or more than one thing. I'm thinking I'll have at least one of these done. I'm gonna give the Yoda away because it's not really my type of diamond painting, and anything else will be extra. So I will see you later. So I'm back. This is gonna be a kind of different kind of review because I didn't finish these. This diamond painting was done by my sister, and I don't actually have the diamond painting with me. So I'm gonna put a picture of the finish right here. And this thing had 11 colors, 9 were crystal rhinestones and 2 specials. My sister took 3 days to complete this. So yeah, I think from what she said, she didn't have any problems. So yeah, there's that finish. And the other one finished also by my sister, and I also don't have the diamond painting for it, and hence why this is going to be short, is this cactus picture here. I'll put the picture of the finish like here. And so this thing has 18 colors, which is crazy amount of colors, and with 9 crystal rhinestones and 9 specials. This took my sister 2 days to complete, and this was just part of the diamond paintings that I brought with me when I went to visit my sister during Christmas, and she ended up actually doing the 2 diamond paintings that were going to be the finish for this video. So that's all the finishes for this unboxing. Thank you to DPClubs for sending these items and the other items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!